How to use the schedule template in Restaurant Systems Pro. First, go to Labor Systems and go to Schedules. From there, for the schedule template, you have two different options. The first option is to go ahead and create a template off an existing schedule that you've already entered into the system, or you can go ahead and enter one manually. We're going to go ahead and create one off of an existing schedule. The first thing that you want to do is click on the drop-down box to select the position. After you've selected your position, click on the calendar icon to select the date range. After you've selected the position and date of the template that you want to go ahead and create, click on Create Template. From there, under the text box, enter the template name. After you've entered the template name, you can see there's the times next to each day of the week. Scroll down and hit Save. After you've hit Saved, go ahead and click on Close or Edit this template. If you want to revise the template, you can go ahead and click Edit this template. From there, to adjust the template, you can click on the text box to adjust the template name. Open up each day of the week using the arrow icon. You can click on the start time or end time box to adjust the time, or you can click on the plus sign to add a new one. You can also adjust the station as well as phase option, and you have the option to delete. Once you're done making revisions, you can scroll down and enter your staffing guide. The staffing guide is going to allow you to enter how many employees you need for that specific position during the AM and PM shift. I'm going to double click on AM and enter the number of employees I need for each day of the week. Hit Save once you're done. Once you're done, hit the Save icon on the bottom. Now your template successfully saved. You can close out of it. To manually enter a template, you're going to go to Labor Systems and go to Schedules. From there, you have to go to an upcoming date. I'm going to go ahead and go to the upcoming week of the 3rd. Click on Schedule Template. From there, click on Manage Templates. After you've clicked on Manage Templates, you can click on the drop-down box to select the position that you want to create a template for. After you've selected that position, click on Add New. From there, you can enter the template name, open up each day of the week using the arrow icon, and click on the plus sign to add your time. After you've clicked on the plus sign, click on the actual text box and enter the time. You can select your station if you have any or phase option. And once you're done with the entire template, scroll down, enter your staffing guide, and hit Save. To use the schedule template, go to Labor Systems and go to Schedules. From there, click on the calendar icon to change the date range to the upcoming week. You can only use the schedule templates for upcoming week. Now from there, click on Schedule Templates. Up on the very top, you have the option to select your position. You can also select your date range using the calendar box, as well as a drop-down box to select the template that you want to use. To actually utilize the schedule template, you're going to scroll down and you'll see each day of the week with the time. Go ahead and drag and drop. So I'm going to scroll down, look for the person I want to go ahead and schedule, and let's just say, for example, Monday I want Marquise Johnson to be working the 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. All I have to do is drag and drop that time next to his name. From there, you go ahead and continue doing that, and you'll see it automatically crosses off the time up on the very top. If I don't want Marquise to be working that time anymore, I can go ahead and mark him as off, and it will automatically allow me to start scheduling that time again. Also, make sure you mark the other days as off if they're not working that position or day. Once you're done with the schedule, scroll down and hit Save. You can still revise the schedule after you've saved it in the Schedule section. This is how you use the schedule templates in Restaurant Systems Pro.